Another thing I wanted to show you with screenshots is the fact that some app publishers are using the different images for the screenshot as a larger one. So here we can see that the first two screenshots are actually a cut of a bigger image, and it does a nice effect. So on the first one we have a kind of a list of features that the app is doing, like playing iPod music, showing the weather and all that. And on the right side we have different examples of how the app looks inside. This second application is doing like the first one and is making an interesting use of the first two screenshots as a larger image. This way they can show a person sleeping in the background and commanding the application through voice. So I think it's a nice effect. And as you can see also, even though the app is in landscape mode at the bottom, they are still using the vertical screenshots, and which are taking more space. There's one more example that I wanted to show you with the game Heads Up. On the top you have the real icon and app name, and here I didn't show the screenshot that they are showing in the app store. Instead I'm showing how the app looks like inside. And this is, if you don't know the game Heads Up, it's the game that you play by putting the iPhone on your forehead, and you have to guess like movie names or songs, and you're being held by people in front of you. Before publishing this game, the creators of this game could have decided to just take a simple screenshot of this app, like I did here, and add it to the App Store. The problem with it is that it's not telling the story. It doesn't explain to the users how the game is played. It doesn't tell that you have to put the iPhone on the forehead. It's not clear just from looking at the screenshot. Instead, the real screenshots are the ones that you see here. There's a lady with a iPhone on her forehead, and she's playing the game. And there's a little bit of writing at the bottom of each screenshot that explains how to play the game. And as you can see also is that instead of having one landscape screenshot, they're using two vertical ones. So they're having three images to convince the users that they're gonna have fun with this application. And I think it's much more efficient and powerful to show those two screenshots than this one.